Current affairs for the 29th of August 2024. The Ministry of Road Transport and Highways in India is proposing a new policy to repair and upgrade old national highways using a method called Whitetopping Technology. Apple announced that Kevan Parekh will become the company's new Chief Financial Officer on January 1, 2025. Karnataka has reported 24,028 dengue cases and 5 deaths. To combat this, the Health Department launched a pilot project using Ovitrap baskets on August 26 to monitor mosquitoes. NASA's Perseverance rover began an important new phase of its mission on Mars by starting its climb to the top of Jezero Crater on August 27. Union Minister Nitin Gadkari recently unveiled solar-powered tricycles during an important event held by the Andhra Pradesh MedTech Zone. Where was the Under-17 World Wrestling Championship 2024 held? A. Tokyo, Japan. B. Amman, Jordan. C. Beijing, China. Thank you for watching.